Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm going to show you another way to paper craft like a pro using winning color combinations that will give you great results every time. So today I'm using gelatos to demonstrate only because they're great. Their packaging is just color all the way through and through. And I am going to move my gelatos. Look at my storage, cereal containers. And I'm going to put a background down. We'll get back to the work surface in a little bit. Oops. There we go. Okay, so the first color combination is, first of all, we're going to use combinations of 3. You always want to use combinations of 3. And we're talking totally about backgrounds. So if we have red, orange, and pink, that's our first combination. All right. These will give you great results every time. You don't have to use gelatos. You can use anything you have: inks, paints, sprays, magicals, powdered pigments, anything. The next is pink, red, and purple. The next is pink, turquoise, and purple. So let's just swap out the red for a turquoise. Look at that. The next is blue, turquoise, and purple. So let's swap out the pink and put in a blue. The next is blue, pink, and purple. Oops. The next is blue, turquoise, and green. So we'll put this one back and we'll put this one black. Blue and turquoise and green. And the next is blue, turquoise, and lime. I call that lime. I suppose this could be lime also. No, it couldn't. I don't like that, and I'll tell you why after. Remind me, and I'll tell you why. Yeah, limes. Did you see the difference? I'll tell you now. It's because, like, it seems like these are all bright colors. Again, this is my lack of color theory, but they seem like bright colors. This seems more like a muted color. And so I would choose other colors like that were, if I was doing this, I would choose a turquoise that was more like this, which maybe this. And then a blue that was more like this. So maybe, I guess I don't really have I guess I don't really have a blue like that. The next is green, lime, and yellow. Green, lime, and yellow. And the next is green, lime, and blue. And the next is green, lime, and turquoise. They look good, don't they? That's pretty neat. So you will have winning color combinations every time. Let's give you a little demonstration of what I mean. Okay. I have here, let me sit down. This is regular watercolor cardstock, and I've applied a thin layer of gesso. And, oops. Again, these are gelatos. If you're not familiar with gelatos, they're water soluble. They blend super, super easy. Let's use, which color combination should we use? Let's do blue and turquoise. Was this the turquoise I was using? And green. Should we do that? That wasn't the green I had. It was that green, wasn't it? Blue, turquoise, and green. Okay. So just to give you an idea, Now you can experiment within these 3 colors. I always choose 3 colors when I'm doing something like a background blending, but I can experiment by using maybe heavier with this and lighter with something else. Okay. And again, that's pretty even, but I don't have to have it that even. Like, then I could go down here, or I could do, I love gelato so much. I could go up here. I could do more green over here, and even over here. And then I could do more. Let me try to do 3 little areas. How about that? Okay. Of each. That's sort of like 1 and 2. There we go. This has no rhyme nor reason right now, okay? And now I could just use my finger, and generally I like to do, now I'll have a green finger, although sometimes, you know what, today I think I won't. I think I'll just blend how I want. Okay. Again, this is pre-coated. I coated it before this with some gesso, so yeah, that's nice. That's nice. And I have a baby wipe handy. Okay, now I could leave it like that if I wanted. I could lightly spray it with some water. I guess it's more than lightly, huh? And watch those colors just blend and blend and blend. Doesn't that look good? That's lovely. Isn't that fun? Those color combinations, that will work every time. Let's see if I can do it up here. This is why I like gelatos. Look. Woo! Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. That looks great. I wasn't real careful with the gesso either. So now I've got these neat little marks up there. Isn't that cool? I love that. And I don't have to worry because the way I've chosen the colors, they all go together already. But I will say that if you're going to choose colors, make sure that they're similar. So it doesn't matter the medium as much. Like, it doesn't matter if I'm choosing gelatos or distress inks or ink sprays or magicals or Stampin' Up! Inks, whatever. But if you're going to choose bright colors, choose all bright colors for that project. Here's a purple and a turquoise and a blue. But then here's a purple and a pink and a purple. Did you hear what I said? Here's a purple and a blue and a pink. But you can tell that all these right here they're like muted tones, and these are brighter. So just be mindful when you're choosing. You don't want to have, like, you know, this light one that would just be funny, or this super dark one. You can, but you're gonna have the results you're looking for in your mind if you stick to the same kind of color. And that's it. That's the tip. That's the tip of the day. So you can paper craft like a pro. Head over to sandpaperroad.com for a printable color combination guide. And it's not a subscription. It's not a join an email list. It's not a secretly come to my blog and then you'll pay $1 for it, whatever. Just come over and you can download the free printable color combination guide for all the colors I showed you today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like videos like this. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to click on the bell to receive notifications. And on sandpaperroad.com, you can always see other close-up photos and DIY tutorials. Or you can shop for products if you want to. You can follow Sandpaper Road on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And a complete list of items used in this project, plus links to social media, will be in the description box below. This is so fun for me. That's why I wanted to share it with you. And it's just something that I think I've seen some artists along the way do some color combinations. And I thought, oh man, I got to have that in one place for me. And once I did it for myself, I just wanted to share it with my YouTube family. So, and my crafting family. So thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.